Good morning and welcome to our YouTube channel Torque India. 2019 was the year when Kia Motors decided to tap Indian automobile market with a product that could easily disrupt the segment. So they went on to the drawing board, dropped every ounce of sweat and blood into the design, worked out on features that Indian customers were dreaming of, and came out with a head turner we very well know as Kia Seltos. Seltos was breaking records soon after the launch in 2019, and even now in 2020 it is still sitting at the top. So why is this car selling so much? Well, we are here to tell you just that. Now, starting from the very front, the first thing you will notice is what Kia likes to call the tiger nose grille. Now it does look quite unique among the rivals. What enhances the look even more are these full LED headlights, LED DRLs and LED indicators. Now coming back to the grille, Kia has used a knurled pattern on the chrome treatment. This is the HTX 1.5 diesel, and the fog lamps offered on this particular variant are also in LEDs. You get silver finished roof rails, body colored ORVMs that are electronically foldable and adjustable. You also get ORVM mounted turn indicators that are LEDs. Now there is a very subtle shoulder line starting from the front, which dissolves at the center and re-emerges at the tail section. You will find subtle hint of squarishness in the prominent and bulgy wheel arches that complements the overall SUV feel of the car. On the HTX variant, Kia offers 215 by 60 R17 wheels that are in metallic grey finish. The disc brakes are offered on all four wheels. Moving towards the back, the radio antenna at the top comes in shark fin design, followed by a body colored spoiler that also houses high mounted brake lights. And the rear wipers will come handy when driving on the rough and dusty roads. The chrome treatment on the boot lid that also houses Kia logo blends neatly into the LED tail lights. Moving down a bit, one may easily notice the sculpted design of the trunk. Move down a bit more and the silver colored plastic trim overshadows the rear bumper to give it a neat and mean look. A generous amount of 433 liters of boot space is on offer, enough to pack a couple of bags without any hustle to head on a holiday far, far away. And if 433 liters of boot space is not enough for you, you can tumble down the rear seats in 60-40 split configuration and pack as much luggage as you like. Now Sumit will take you to a walkthrough of available engine options on this car.
The Seltos comes with 3 engine options, a 1.5 litre petrol, a 1.4 litre turbo petrol and a 1.5 litre diesel. The one on this model is a 1.5 litre inline 4-cylinder churning 113 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of torque, enough to pull you on demanding roads. A wheelbase of 2610 mm has allowed Kia to provide adequate amount of legroom in the vehicle. And even the back seat is quite wide enough to accommodate 3 people quite easily. SUV stature of this vehicle helps it to offer a generous amount of headroom in the back. Apart from this, it comes with 3 adjustable headrests, a center armrest with 2 cup holders, sun blinds for the back passengers, and the cabin comes in white leatherette upholstery, which can be a dirt magnet but fuses well with the black interior. You also get rear AC vents, a 12-volt power socket for the back passengers, and a smart air purifier system with a display and an option to add up to 3 different fragrances. And this can be also controlled remotely via a smartphone app. As soon as you step inside the cabin, you are greeted with a massive 10.25-inch HD touchscreen display, oriented a bit towards the driver, giving it a more cockpit-like appeal. The infotainment system comes with 6 speakers, and it also supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get single zone climate control, 2 cup holders, a driver armrest with small storage space that can be used to keep your wallet, keys and some candies if you feel hungry. This variant comes with a leather wrapped flat bottom steering wheel with the Seltos badging on it. The instrument cluster follows a semi-digital theme with 2 analog dials and a centrally positioned colored MID display. This may not be the top-end variant of this car, but it comes with features like tire pressure monitoring system, anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, dual airbags for the front passengers, speed sensing door locks, reverse camera with guidelines, standard cruise control and rear parking sensors. On the telematics front, it comes with features like GeoFence, Find My Car, Vehicle Status On app, over-the-air updates, and an emergency call button for any mishap you may encounter on the road. Now that we have discussed about the good looks and features of this car, it's time to take this beauty out for a spin. Talking about the steering feels weighted, but yet it is quite precise and nimble, and the vehicle follows every command that you give to it. Now talking about the gear shifts, shifting gears is quite easy in this vehicle. The gear throws are quite small and the gear lever actually falls into the right slot whenever you're trying to change a gear. And driving this car is a pleasure. The suspension is neither on a stiffer side nor on a much softer side, but it is a balance between the two, and you get quite a comfortable ride inside the cabin. Now talking about the driving position, you sit in a more upright stance. This helps to get a more commanding view of the outside. Even this is a diesel car, the clutch feels quite light. The brake bite is also good because Kia has provided disc brakes on all 4 wheels. The 250 Newton meters of torque that this engine produces may not sound much, but as soon as you hit that gas pedal, it pushes you back and puts a smile on your face. So now coming on to the question we asked in the very beginning, why does this car sell so much? Well, we shortlisted 2 major reasons for that. Number 1, that we have already discussed, the design, the build, the plethora of features and its driving dynamics. The second reason being the local manufacturing of this car and its export to other foreign markets. That allowed Kia to price it very competitively in the Indian market, even after stopping it with many features.
With all the ticks against right boxes, we believe this car will be truly worth your money. What do you think about this car? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below.
And if you love this video, press that like button, and there's more motoring content coming your way soon. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button also.
We will see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy some good cinematic shots.